down as probably the best CAF president ayenya. And I love Nkofoa Omoba Jumedie Swa. They impose their personality. He's a businessman. And Oba, the business aspect of CAF, Obia can bear witness to it. Say improvement, massive. Say, what is say? We're tuning private jets, from South Africa now. Come meetings via as the CAF president. He's going to negotiate a sponsorship deal. And on negotiating sponsorship deal, we are Obama Bekacho. So many sponsors they are too sad away. So into a free chrono, Sika say and Ababa county the price money ne Sika me de mamo in participating no a free this level, echo this level. Since I'm buy on record, every competition beyond the CAF have seen massive increment in terms of Sikasem, even including participating fee. I think I can be 3 days no matter your AFCON. Minimum 16 teams never could participate. When you're crying your $150,000. And he has done very, very well with the commercial aspect of your game. Now, there is a small similarity, and yes, small, it's major. There's a similarity between Oya CAF president and it's Oya Ghana GFA president. Because unim under you, and Kofua, Rich, they don't really appreciate top administration. Enti omom wo wasedo. The way omo yo omo nyoman, ebema wa bre e wo top ho. Me ye sure pass MOTSEPE nyaya. And people will invest into infrastructure. And go for be investing into grassroots football. And go for be investing into proper administration. But I never know by under him, he takes every tournament to Morocco. Because up at the best spectacle for the tournament. After Morocco, focus on my power, won't go see at the Olympic. Yeah, bread, the beer Morocco. And then obey. As a CAF president, what can you do? Infrastructure is in your. You can't do anything about it. In South Africa, they will not for them, South Africa. Yes. There is no way MOTSEPE can check Ghana say, Yensi World Class Stadium. And you know also catch it. And you know also catch Sudan. And you know also catch Equatorial. And you know catch African countries and say, Mo football no money standard stadium. And under him. He made sure say meet the criteria, you will not play in your country. And that is the best he can do. Enforcement of these laws. And adding. So where Africa, any the way I pay investment now, it is very, very difficult to be CAF president. And nobody bowa untimi nya way rich anya hwe kra no. Sika na odi real competitions ni mu no. Ade na wo se ke ka kire member associations, any clubs, any omom ya under CAF. For instance, so we kotoko ye has. Kanina na wo call Confederations Cup final no. Na sika na wini den no. Rich say na what say e increase yakobe 800%. Ade na e catch will say today if you are able to enter and do or you get money. Into one also your no me yenya MOTSEPE na say obeso won sade wo koyo no me. Now, as the CAF president, what could you have done with Africa more performance at the World Cup? Look, politically, in terms of FIFA world football, you're here because you have numbers. Now, you leverage on those numbers to get a lot of slots at World Cup. And then what you be 10. 10 they call World Cup, no. At the end of MOTSEPE betting to make sure that Ghana, Senegal, Tunisia, they will qualify to where? What can he do? You qualify on your own merit. Who didn't ever baby could do? MOTSEPE can't do anything about it. And you be the question. But see what tournament in the no say you hold this stakeholders meeting. Na yenjunjunu your performance no na ebia baby ejiri say here improvement no ye na yenjunjunu that is the best he can do. He is an administrator on your footballer. He can only think about a new man to see. No, so and he say that is the best he can do. He can't go beyond that because I don't know about Bono Park so the amount. Now, Rich, are you not so surprised? Say, there's an African that thinks like MOTSEPE to say, look, I want to leave when the applause are high. Tamo be able my bason. Me metina ha me tetem. Emma the normal calf politics, no. Me bought me legacy be ama ye bia ngu. Because me nam mukra sisi ano. Omo mbe so medi ma de no me so say bi mo tete me. Trying to find fault with me. And this am me na se mo no wosoro no me ko me de me di me 2 term ni wi I am off. Say ne be people will remember me for what I have done and the legacy I bet me build. That is the kind of president you want. Se ko bi abeti mi asuana man ya enka agbena
mpasim bia abia mo bom nsem na me ko me
yes say anoma oche
diaso
a ojebo enti he has done his bit. Everybody will remember him. The last thing America say I think said during the tenure as the CAF president and the only problem that disparate committee decision on the AFCON way no. But again, Rich, say enya Africa hani a conspiracy theories di bebrea. E dey na CAF president betimi aye with these independent bodies no. Because no crying say the disparate committee, appeals committee, and all those independent committees, they are independent of the structure of the political system of CAF.
And Gianni Infantino catch a phone. There is an independent body. It will take a decision. Yeah.
And you see, who say your trust issues? Naturally, Africans your trust issues. And see, at the ABS so be influence BB. But in actual sense, if you look at MOTSEPE, now where the man he is, the way we are conducting him as a CAF president, will he be interested in this controversy? No. He will not. Say or say, baby, this is she never Tobia from Castle. Everybody will have to respect it. Na him. That is the biggest challenge a sense of by we're facing. And I hope say cast decision, ebebantem. Na yede poma kopim baby or say the trene.
Okay.
Na etimiko and MOTSEPE will go down as for me the best CAF president ever.
2 million.
Yes. And I gradually the last time I bought work on now 1 million. Just after 1-2 years,
another 1 million.
They call 2 million. Where Confederation Cup, Champions League, and Memano AFCON, everywhere I've seen improvements. And the real friend MOTSEPE in terms of the commercialization of the game and while leveraging on Africa, at the world stage, so very, very well. And on one case as a person, are conducting so well. On any esco unti any corruption, sembia unti any scandal, unti soma kodisika matiskebia mamo moho edi akopri unti all those scandals, no, and it is because of his leadership. Unti you never to mention be free.
Sure. Okay, any Bismarck Usubempa Ayala.